You're muted. We can't hear you. YK.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Good morning. Welcome back to the New York session stream, taken as part of our Road to Funded series. If you're joining us for the first time, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that little bell because we're live every weekday, Monday to Friday, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. That's 12:30 p.m. Watt, West African time. With that being said, let's get right into the charts. Okay. Hey, my brother. One sec, bro. Let me just get done with this breakdown and I'll unmute the Discord. 1 second. Alright, y'all. Hope y'all had a good weekend, or not weekend, a good Wednesday. No stream yesterday because I had a meeting by 8:30 or by 9, so it really didn't make sense for me to even hop on stream, right? So yeah, I didn't really get anything yesterday. I got in some gold positions, but those went break even. There's a lot of break evens for the week. I don't know, price has been moving very, I don't want to say strange, but out of character, right? In terms of the time price moves, we've been moving a lot later than I'm used to, right? Yeah. So we've been ranging during the what should be peak hours, and we've been moving a lot, we've been trending a lot later. Like, look at this one. This was it started at 12 in and then we had this little trend going up here. It started at 11, right? Or I mean, this is 10, but still, this is the end of the candle, right? So 11, you had this big push up, right? So I mean, this push down started at 11, 12, right? So yeah, this whole week price has been moving at some regular hours. I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, let's see if we can get some today. And of course, well, actually, yeah, let's get into the analysis first before we start talking about all of that. Okay, so GJ on the monthly, boom, we're bullish, right? We're bullish on GJ. We got 12 days left here, so we still have next week to play around with this monthly. Like I said, I am looking for this price to close somewhere inside this range, just mirroring based off of how we formed on this candle, right? On this formation to the left. If we're gonna mirror this exactly, we're most likely gonna close somewhere below 192.3, right? So I mean, we still haven't taken out these highs. I did anticipate that we will come up a bit higher before we reject, if we were gonna reject, right? Because it's not a necessity that we close inside this range, right? It's just something that we're looking at potentially happen just because of, you know, past price action. But yeah, so I am still looking for price to take out these highs at some point here, and then maybe reject after that, but we'll see, right? But for now, we are bullish, and we do have some targets to the top side. This weekly candle is, you know, it's been pushing up, and we still haven't taken out those highs, so we still have those as targets, right? So on the lower time frames, if we can see some pullback, maybe potentially we could have, you know, some buys going up towards taking those highs, but we'll see. But we are bullish on the weekly as well. Let's see the daily. How did the daily close? So previous daily close sort of doji. Yeah, so we sort of closed doji inside the range. So this is still, I mean, it's still supporting the buys, right? It's still supporting a buy bias, lol. Yeah, so it's still supporting the push up. So I mean, we never came down to take out these lows, but I don't really think we needed to, because all of these candles closed inside this range, right? It's not like you closed below then back above, right? You just tapped into a level below. Oh yeah, so look at these look at this last three candles, right? You had the initial bullish closure into the range, right? Then you had this bullish closure still inside this range, but a little bit higher, right? So the where it closed was higher than the previous one. And then you have this bullish closure, right? Still inside the range, tapped below the range, still closed inside the range, but now a little bit higher again, right? So this is still a push up, right? This is still an uptrend. These are still higher highs, right? That we're forming, right? Still higher highs, and even the lows are higher lows, right? So this is like it's like a miniature uptrend right here that's going on inside this range. So at some point, I am expecting to either, you know, push, maybe tap into 193.4 areas, maybe reject back into the range, or we close above and we continue this push up, right? So we'll see. Let me see the 4 hours, but we are bullish on everything, right? So in terms of direction, pretty straightforward here. Pretty straightforward in terms of direction. We are bullish. Let me see these 4 hour levels. Yeah, so 4 hour been closing bullish as well. Yep, we're currently at a resistance, of course. Let's see, I'll take these levels right here. Yeah, so support, looking at support, so I thought I'd take this one. Yeah, so these are the levels I'm looking at right now. These are the levels I'm looking at. These are the levels I'm looking at. And we are rejecting off of this level too. This 192.8 level. We are currently rejecting that level. So let's see what happens here. Let's see the hourly. Yeah, so it's pretty straightforward in terms of, you know, our levels and our direction, right? Now the only thing is it gonna be that straightforward in terms of formation, in terms of how the candles print? And look at this, oh my goodness, look at this range. Look at this range. Yeah, it's such a beautiful range, huh? Yeah, this is a, how many pips is this? This is about a 50 pip range we have going to the top side. So if we can get a closure above 192.8 here, A5, yeah, we should be good for these buys going up, because this is a very clean range. If you look to the left, so like on the hourly, really clean. On a 4 hours, still, I mean, not as clean. On the, sorry, not 4 hour, 30 minute. On the 30 minute, you have some ranges, some intermediary ranges, but still very clean, right? Still a very clean range. Still a very clean range. I'd say only here. Yeah, close above 192.9, and yeah, 192.9, and you have at least a 30 pip vantage point. If we close above 192.9, yeah, actually, yeah, let me not say anything yet, but let's see what happens here first. Let's see what happens here first. But you have a very clean range up here, right? You have a very clean range above here. I almost wish there wasn't news, almost, but not. So yeah, that's what we're looking at on GJ. Let me see, this level is support in terms of sales, right? I mean, I'm not looking for sales anytime soon, so it'll be range 2 sales, which I guess would be down here. Yeah, so you got all that going on. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I'm not keen on any type of sales, right? Some real gymnastics. Yeah, I'm not keen on sales until we tap into, I would say, 192.9. Yeah, if we end up tapping 192.9, we don't close, we reject back into the range and start closing, you know, below these levels here, then yeah, maybe I'll consider the sell. Maybe I'd consider the sell, because we do have this 4 hour rejecting 192.8, so we might flip on this 4 hour and have a bearish closure right below 192.4. So then yeah, that would be good for sales as well. But for now, we are mainly looking for those buys. It's a really clean range too. But let's see what happens. All right, on to gold real quick. So gold, yeah, I missed the entry on gold during Asian session. This one right here. Yeah, this would have been nice. Yeah, but yeah, trading the Asian session in London is it's been a task lately, man. It's bullshit. Not even because I'm busy or nothing. It's just weird hours, bro. But now I'm making excuses in it. But yeah, so yeah, we missed a little bit of an entry here on gold for Asian session. That would have been a nice little 47 pips, but it is what it is. All right, let's go. Monday, I say Monday, monthly bullish, of course. Weekly bullish, of course. We still haven't taken out previous weekly highs. Daily bullish, of course, probably. Oh, actually, daily close bearish. Interesting. So daily close bearish back inside the range, right? We have no bottom wick for this candle. See, what I'm thinking now is if we were gonna make a bottom wick for this candle has been open for about quick maths, like 15 hours. So we've been open on this candle for about 15 hours and we never flipped. We never created this bottom wick. So what I'm thinking, right? This formation looks really good for sales, right? Especially if you come up here and you take out these highs, right? If you take out these highs, say you tap into 2400, take out those highs and then you flip, you should see, I mean, let me not say you should see, but highly likely you see that candle drive down, right? But we've been open for 15 hours and we still haven't created this bottom, and we still never created a bottom wick after closing down below, after closing bearish below support. I mean, this, okay, I guess this level never actually held the support. It only held a resistance, but yeah, let's see how we form here. But with this formation, normally you might be able to assume that, yeah, price is gonna come down and create a bottom wick, but right now I can't really assume that, right? Because the bullish momentum in the markets is too high, right? We have too much bullish momentum, right? This could just continue pushing up. This candle, as like I said, it's been open for 15 hours and never created a bottom wick. We might not even need a bottom wick. Might just continue pushing up, especially with today being a heavy news day. I'll get to the news in a second. Okay, so yeah, actually, so this level is held now, right? This level is held, so we do have a resistance here. So yeah, you want to be careful there as well. Let me see. So it's that level. So you could still, yeah. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. 2383, right? 2384. 2384. Yeah, I'm curious to see what 2384 is on the lower time frames. 2384. Where? This? Really? Not much. Yeah. Yeah. 4-hour levels. I'd say. I'd consider this for now. Yeah. Just consider the overall levels. All right. Consider that for now. Let me see that hourly. Okay. I am looking for the buys. I understand the formation, how that looks. It would be really nice for the sells, but can't really say that. I think I'd prefer to wait for that flip and a bearish closer in a lower time frame, right? Let me see. Okay, so yeah, these are man, these are the levels I have on gold for now. Let's see. The view. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, these are my levels on gold for now. Let's see how price prints. What is this? 2386 is what? 2386. Is that a level? 2386. That's about here. Yeah, no, I don't have I would say I don't have as clean of range on gold. One sec, bro.
Oh, that's okay. Wow.
Yeah, so I don't have as clean of a range on gold, but
Shit, I was late. Of course.
But I will let's see. Yeah, we'll update the ranges as we go, but right now we are rejecting off this 2386 level, which is a 4-hour level as well. It's a 4-hour level as well. I think it's a daily level as well. Yep. Yeah, so let's see what happens here. Let's see if we keep on rejecting here. If this is just a minor temporary pullback. Cool. So let's see, that's GJ.
Hello.
Yeah, so we're waiting there. Okay. Alpha.
I did.
Yeah, one sec, bro. All right, so news wise, we got jobless claims, we got
Jobless, yeah.
existing home sales as well. We got jobless claims at 8:30, then we got home sales at 10 a.m. So we got 2 major news events today, so we should see volume, but I mean, stranger things have happened, man. This week has been weird, very weird,
Nah, I
very
don't think
very weird.
Stranger Things is coming out for a while.
Yeah, shut up. All right,
It,
then.
it, 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 it,
So yeah, man. So we're just gonna wait on that. So we're gonna wait on news. Most likely, we're not getting anything before news. I mean, probably on gold, or especially on gold, right? We most likely are not gonna get anything before news. So maybe on GJ, but we'll see. We'll see what happens, right? Hopefully, we can get some here. So in terms
to
of
be
the
honest,
account, we got 2 days left. Well, not 2 days. Tomorrow. We only have
well,
tomorrow, right? So we gotta hit targets by tomorrow. So what's gonna happen is, again, I'm not chasing anything, but today I'll see what I can get, if I can get anything, and then tomorrow we're basically gonna risk all our profits, right? So we'll risk just enough profit so that we at least close in profit, so we get the free retry, even if, you know, if we're not able to get to the what's it called, to the profit target. We'll risk everything that we can, just enough for us to still be, you know, in profit, maybe $5 in profit or something, right? So yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. No rush. We're not rushing anything. We chilling. We chilling.
I'm gonna
Chilling.
dip for a second.
Um, we chilling. We chilling. We chilling like a villain. Yeah, man. So let's see here. It's today. Today, hey, it very well could happen today, man. It really could. Oh, yeah, yeah. But I was doing some quick maths, and some of those trades where I got taken out break even. I mean, like this one, the sells on GJ the other day, not yesterday. Well, was this yesterday? No, not this one. I think it was this one. It was Tuesday. So yeah, this. I think it was this. If I stayed in there, this would have been what, 50 pips. I mean, most likely I wouldn't have held the whole thing, right? But still, I would be in more profit than I currently am. So 2%. So we need 8%. Can we get 8% on a Thursday morning? Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. To be fair, 8% ain't much, right? Like on gold, I mean, if I enter a 2 lot on gold, right? So that's what, 8% is what? That's like 600, right? No, not 600. No, that's like 400, right? Not even 400. Wait, hello. What's 8 times? That's 480. Never mind. Yeah, it's 480. 8% is 480. Yeah, so yeah, so 8% is 480. So hold up. Mm. Yeah, let's see what we can get here. So early hours we're pulling back on GJ. Wow, that whole candle flip, crazy. We're already seeing volume here on GJ. I don't know if I should be happy about that or not, to be honest. Maybe if we close below here, I don't have positions, right? That's the range one close. For the sells, I really need to come up and tap 192.9 first. Why I have 192.9? Because it's above all these highs. So if you're grabbing liquidity to push down, and it's the daily high as well. All right, previous daily high. Or weekly, actually. Previous weekly high, previous daily high. Well, not daily, but yeah, weekly, I guess. So you come up here and tap above all these levels and then flip and drive, or flip and close below, and you should be good to drive, to be honest. But I would prefer the buys, man, because these buys are clean. This is a clean range right here, especially with this pullback happening right now. If this pullback is happening now and then we get the closure above during high volume hours, wow, we going up to the moon. When I get drunk, I go to the moon. No shoes. With a wave, typhoon, no cap. Down in a room. Ow. Yeah, so let's see how we close here in the next 5 minutes. 5 minutes. See how we close. In other news, playoffs have started. Playoffs done started. One sec, chat. All right, my fault, guys, my fault. I'm back. All right, so we're about to close here. We're rejecting off this level, which I mean, it's not good or bad, but it is expected. It is expected though. If we close below here, things get a little interesting, all right? Close below here, things do get a little interesting. I still wouldn't take those sells, at least not right now. We need a top wick, a steeper top wick for this new hourly. I mean, if you come up all the way, no bottom wick, you come up all the way, tap 192.9. I mean, yeah, take a sell off of that. Trust me. I would. I know that's right. Done it. Yeah. The Drake beef is the funniest thing I've ever seen. Like Drake just he slayed all their misses. Misses. Alright. Top wick first. Let's see how steep this top wick is gonna be. If we start tapping into 192.9, 192.85, and we flip, yeah, maybe it close above there too. Yeah, so most likely we're not getting anything here until 8:30, 8:35 minimum or earliest. Yeah, let's see how we form here though. Let's see how we form here. GJ opening with some good volume here though, so that's good. We always want to see volume. Now we just hope the volume is in our favor. Yeah, NBA draft started, or not draft, NBA playoffs started. I feel so bad. Well, I don't. I actually don't. Bunch of nerds. These Warriors fans, man. Bunch of nerds. They really thought that was gonna happen, bro. Clippers, Mavericks. So Pelicans, Kings, right? The Kings got that for sure, right? Kings got that in. Wait, what? What you mean? What you mean to win in? What do you mean to win in? What? Bro, what? Oh, okay. I get what you mean. Alright, yeah, so for sure the Kings are gonna win, right? For sure the Kings are gonna win. This game is gonna be crazy, bro. But I think the factor here is gonna be because they're both young teams, right? The Kings, they're young. The Thunder are young as well, right? I mean, Thunder significantly more so than the Kings, but still, they got that young blood. But the Kings, they have that taste. They got that playoff taste already, right? I think they were in the playoffs last season, I think. They already got that taste for the playoffs. Yeah, man, you got some dogs on the Kings, bro. You got some clutch motherfuckers on the Kings. But the same can be said for the Thunder, bro. And I don't even know. Do the Thunder play defense? Cause you got Chet, you got Shy, you got that other boy, the white boy that got caught with the 15-year-old or something. Oh no, 16-year-old. Allegedly, I don't know. Allegedly. Damn, bro. Yeah, it's gonna be a game. It's gonna go at least to a game 6. At least to a game 6. At least, but these are young dudes, bro. They hungry for it too. These are dogs, man. These are dogs for real. I say Thunder in 7. Yeah, man. I'd say Thunder in 7. I think they got that. I know the Kings, they have playoff ability. You know, they have been tested in the playoffs before. Okay, actually, 1 second, y'all. So look at this hourly. What's going on? Let me see. hour taking out those highs again. Hourly. Can't really take anything yet though. Yeah, so this goal is forming interestingly here. But this hourly has no bottom wick. What did we close below? Did we close below something? So I guess we closed below this. Close below this as well. Here. Yeah, I got nothing yet. The formation is interesting, but not interesting enough to warrant position though. Yeah, we have taken out this previous 30-minute high though, and the hourly high. So we've tapped into that hourly high. If we flip here, I mean, I don't want to say high chance we drive down, because let's see. So we could tap this level and reject right here. So because all we need is a bottom wick. So if you flip down here, you could just tap this level and reject. Still a good vantage point. It's still 10 pips, right? So you could still eat off of that. I mean, to be honest, you could take a sell right now in anticipation of this bottom wick. But look at the 4 hour, right? This could just be the rejection for the 4 hour to continue this push up. So yeah, that's not something I want to involve myself with right now. Yeah, I'm not in a rush because we have news at 8:30 and at 10 o'clock, right? So let's see what happens. I'll be here till 10 at least. I'll be here till 10 at least. Let's see if we can get something today. See if we can get something. So GJ finally flipped. So we might just come down here and fill this wick to the downside. Reject, let's see. I think a 15-minute close will be interesting. 15-minute closure should be interesting. Yeah, back to this. All right, yeah, so yeah, the Thunder, it's gonna be Thunder versus Kings. Thunder gonna take that in 7, man. Sure. Clippers versus Mavericks, man. See, now this one is the heart versus the mind. My heart is telling me the Clippers, man, because those are my boys. Bro, let me tell you, it's not that we don't even have the resources to beat the Mavs. We have the minerals, bro. We have the minerals for the Mavs. The issue is every time we get in the playoffs, something happens. We turn off a switch. I don't know what goes on. I really don't know what goes on. I really don't know. I think you know what we're lacking? Because we have, man, Russell Westbrook though. I was gonna say we're lacking that dog that just sorts of, you know, lights a fire in people's bellies, right? But I mean, Russell Westbrook is a pretty vocal player, I think. You know? Yeah, man. I don't know, bro. It's usually injuries or something. If we're perfectly healthy, bro, PG healthy, Kawhi healthy, Harden healthy. Well, Harden injury isn't really a problem with Harden. It's more PG and Kawhi, right? But Harden, you know, consistent or not, you know, I think his is more his if he's feeling all right, if he's feeling good, he does well, right? So mentally speaking. So, and I want to say my Clippers, bro, but that boy Luka, man, point guard himself, Kyrie, man, shit. Yeah, I mean, I'm not no Judas, bro. So I have to say the Clippers, man. I can't lie to you. I gotta say the Clippers. Clippers in 6. You know, Kyrie picked the perfect place to finally end up, because Luka, if I was gonna draw comparisons in terms of style of play to LeBron, I think one of the closest players to that is Luka, bro. because he's very, you know, teammates first. He can get his own buckets, but he's very teammates first, right? He looks for the passes, but any given, he'll cook anybody. He will cook anybody. If you want to be on that island with him, you're getting cooked, boy. You getting that work. You know what I mean? And he's good everywhere, bro. He's good beyond the three. He's good inside the three. He's good at the free throw line. He's good, bro. Come on. Dude is a savant. He's a maestro. He's a maestro. So yeah, man. I mean, I think the it factor is gonna be health, man. If we can stay healthy, bro, we have the facilities, man. We have the personnel to take them out. We do have the personnel for it. I'm just trying to think who would guard. I mean, PG plays defense, bro. Don't sleep on PG's defense. PG does play defense. Kawhi plays defense as well. You know, I mean, yeah, bro. Westbrook, I mean, he be blocking shit. I'm not sure about his defense, like man to man, but Westbrook play. He has effort, you know. At the very least, he has effort. Okay, hello. This 15 is suspiciously. This is a very steep top wick. Interesting. Yeah, but I still couldn't take this. I couldn't take this off of the top wick because of the way the 4 hour is forming. Right? I understand this is it's sort of calling my name at this point because we've taken out the hourly highs convincingly. We're tapping into these areas of rejection. If we tap 2390. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, I mean, it's very inviting, but you want to be wary of this, man, just because of the 4 hour. Look how this 4 hour looks right now. All right, look how this 4 hour looks. You could just continue pushing up. If you break these highs, you could just continue pushing up here, right? So you don't necessarily need a bottom wick for this hourly. Oh, the daily doesn't have a bottom wick, right? Yeah, daily doesn't have a bottom wick either, so yeah, you want to be careful here. You want to be careful. If I took a sell right now, it would almost be a gamble, right? Because yeah, I mean, look at this 5 close bullish as well. So I mean, you don't really need to create a bottom wick here. But you have 3 minutes for this 15-minute close. Let's see how we close here. See how we close off this 15. GJ's just, you know, chilling. We flipped on GJ, not really driving. Even if this 15 closes below, again, I need a tap of 192.85 minimum before I start considering sells. Yeah, but let's see how we close in about 3 minutes. So yeah, man, Clippers in 6, Timberwolves Suns. Come on, bro. I got you, man. KD. They got KD. I got you. They got, oh, you know what? Nah, bro. The Suns got that. Yeah. The Suns got that in 6. Because I understand Anthony Edwards is a dog. You know what I'm saying? As is a dog, right? And the Timberwolves, I mean, what are they? They third seed, right? Third seed. They playing out their minds right now, bro. But I don't think they don't have the, because in the playoffs it comes down to 2 things, right? Well, maybe not 2 things, but so you have your stars, right? Your stars, your playoff experience, all right? Yeah, your stars and your playoff experience. I think those are the 2 most important things. Stars and your playoff experience. So Suns got the stars and they have the playoff experience, right? So they got KD, they got what's his face, Bill. Bill is on the Suns, right? Yeah, Bill is on the Suns. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so they got KD, they got Bill, they got Devin Booker. So I mean, between the three of them, they got a good bit of playoff experience, right? On the Timberwolves, who we got? We got I mean, we're the Timberwolves in what's it called? Were the Timberwolves in the playoffs last season? I don't remember. Let me see. You got this Frenchman, Rudy Gobert. Yeah, you got Conley, yeah, Cat. Oh, I forgot about Cat, bro. Cat been so quiet these days, man. Oh, Nas Reed, bro. Nas Reed a bucket too. That boy a bucket with his towel and shit. Yeah, that boy a bucket. Yeah, I mean they got dogs as well, but yeah, I think it's gonna come down to the playoff experience, man. I think the Suns got that one. Suns got that one in 6. Soon come for the Timberwolves though. Soon come. Let's see. Okay, so we're about to close here. We're about to close in about 15 seconds. It's a really good closer if we didn't have news on GJ. Well, not if we didn't have news. If this was like a if I was looking for sales, then this would be a good good closer. Yeah, okay. So yeah, we close all the way down here. Most likely, I don't see a reason why we wouldn't tap into 192.3. I don't see why we wouldn't tap into 192.3. There isn't really much else you can reject off of right here. It's based off of where we closed. Let me see. I guess, yeah, maybe. So rejection to the top side. Let's see. All the way down there. We're already past that. All the way down here. Yeah, I've rejected here before. Yeah, I don't see a reason why we wouldn't tap into 192.34 at this point. So, I mean, if you want to take that, I guess you could. Yeah, we are driving down, so. I got nothing yet, though. I got nothing yet. There is a bit of volume on that push down, though. There's a bit of volume there. I got nothing yet. Yeah, looks like this is gonna be a news trade, right? Yeah, it's gonna be a news trade. So gold, that 5-minute close back into the range bearish, right? We close respecting this level. So now this, you have more confluence now to take those sells. If you wanted to take those sells, you have more confluence now that you've tapped into these levels and closed below. You have more confluence, but yeah, anything can happen here, man. Anything can happen. Like if you were gonna take these sells, I would say you wanna play the bottom wick. You don't want to take it on the flip. I don't think. Yeah, you don't want to take it on the flip because this could just flip, create a bottom wick, and then start coming back up. Because you're right at this resistance here. Yeah, I guess you could. Yeah, you could play this range. How much is this? How much is this? About 10 pips. Yeah. Yeah, I think you got enough range there on the flip just to play the break even. But yeah, I would say that your best entry here would be a wick entry. It would be a wick entry, but I don't really have those right now. Especially with this 4-hour. No me gusta. Don't like that. So 12 minutes. Yeah, we'll see what happens with news. Hopefully we don't just, leave. Hopefully you don't leave. The price doesn't leave us behind. Trying to think. Can I enter? Nope. I cannot. No, I cannot. I don't have an entry. Alright, yeah. We'll see what happens about 11 minutes. Okay, so Nuggets and Lakers, huh? Nuggets and Lakers. That's an interesting one. Psych. Nuggets in 7. Fuck out of here. Nuggets in 7, dog. Yo, I got you, man. They got LeBron. I understand they got LeBron. Take LeBron out of that team. The Lakers are they're at the bottom of the. Oh, you know, I forgot about AD. I forgot they got AD, huh? AD and Jokic. That's a matchup. I think Nuggets got it. Especially if homie is they're fully healthy. If the Nuggets are fully healthy, they got that. Yeah, man. Nuggets fully healthy, they got that. They got that. I'd say Nuggets in game 7, LeBron taking that, bro. If we go to game 7, LeBron taking that. So I say Nuggets in 6. Nuggets in 6. All right, Celtics Heat versus the Bulls. Heat versus the Bulls. Heat versus the Bulls. Damn, it's a homecoming for Jimmy. It's a homecoming for Jimmy. Heat versus the Bulls, man. And Bulls got some dogs. Heat got some dogs, but let me see. Well, how did the last game go? Oh, they barely lost. Jimmy with 19, Hero with 25. Tough. How about the Bulls game? Russo probably popped off, huh? Caruso probably popped off. Let me see. Oh, Kobe White popped off. Okay. Yo, I forgot DeMar DeRozan on the Bulls, man. I forgot. Oh, never mind. Russo ain't do shit. At least points wise, I didn't watch the game. Yeah, we're driving down here. I mean, if you were gonna play this bottom wick, you should have been in the buys a long time ago. Right, you should have been on the buys, or sorry, on the sells as soon as you tapped into this level, right? Because then you have all this vantage point, right? So as soon as you come back in here around these areas, you're break even, right? So somebody's making money off of this right now. Trust me, somebody's making money off of this. But if I took this, this would just be, yeah, it would be very impulsive. It would be very impulsive. At least, you know, based on my current trading plan right now, it would be very impulsive. But someone else could see this and it would be exactly what they needed. One sec, yo. All right, get back at it. Yeah, so if you were gonna play this bottom wick, you should have been in here a while ago. A while ago. But we'll see. We'll see. Someone else could have a better beat on gold than I do, and they took the sells, right? So it all depends on, you know, what you know. It all depends on what you know, what you're looking for. So 6 minutes left. Let's see. GJ doing? Yeah, GJ dropping as well. Yeah, I wouldn't. Yeah, I would have expected it to already have tapped into 192.33 here. 6 minutes left. Let's see. Yeah, so Heat versus Bulls. I don't know, man. Heat versus the Bulls, that could go either way. I mean, Kobe White popped off. I mean, DeRozan ain't really a pop off kind of individual. He's consistent, but I mean, he does pop off from time to time, of course. I mean, DeRozan is goated, bro. Not MVP, but Hall of Famer for sure. But he's not like, you know what I'm saying? He's not one of these players that their mere presence, you know, a team could be down 3-0. Their mere presence still has people hoping, right? He's not one of them. So, man. You got Bam in the. I gotta say the Heat got this one. I mean, it doesn't really matter who wins because I got the Celtics over them regardless. I don't think the Celtics are choking this time. I think the Celtics put them away. Heats, whether it's the Heat or the Bulls, I think the Celtics, they're gonna put them away. So it doesn't really matter who wins, but I do think the Heat are gonna take it. But we'll see. We will see. All right, Cavs and Magic. Have the Magic been playing well? Who do they even have? They got Bonchero and a short guy, the other guy.
What is this guy watching?
They got Bonchero and what is it? They got Bonchero and what's his face? Jalen Suggs? Is that his name? No, not Jalen Suggs. Hell no. Cole Anthony. There you go. They got Bonchero and Cole Anthony. Franz Wagner. I don't even know who this is. Yeah, man. I forget that. Shit, Cavs got that. Shit, fuck it.
Alright, focus on Forex.
Nah, I got 5 minutes for a closer, bro. Okay, it's not. Yeah. Donovan Mitchell is where he at? Donovan Mitchell on the Cavs? I think so. Is he on the Cavs? Donovan Mitchell. I could have sworn he was on. Yeah, he is on the Cavs. I'm bugging. Yeah. So Donovan Mitchell on the Cavs. Don't really got much else though. That motherfucker been choking in the playoffs, bro. He doesn't choke, his team chokes, but still.
It's very challenging. But...
Yeah. Mute yourself, bro.
Yeah, I just muted it.
Thank you. To be honest, this could go either way. I don't know. These are two teams that like, yeah, it could be either way. To be fair, really could be either way. I mean, Magic don't have much playoff experience. Donovan Mitchell got a bit of playoff experience, even though it's always out in the first round. Let's see, Cavs or Magic. Yeah, this is a coin flip, to be honest with you. I haven't watched enough of the season to know how good the Magic are as a team. So I'm just go with the star, man. What'd you say?
I said if I go off topic now, this guy starts throwing it.
Hey. Whose channel is it, man? I do what I want, dog. What you talking about?
YK's channel.
I do what I want.
See his name on it.
Shit. Yeah, so yeah, in 6, yeah. I say Cavs in 6. Cavs in 6. Bucks Pacers, yeah. Y'all hyping up this Pacers team way too much, bro. Bucks in 5, dog. What you mean? Well, no. Yeah, Bucks in 5. Fuck you mean? If Giannis is healthy, Bucks in 5. Bucks in 6 otherwise. Oh, Knicks and 76ers is about to be a dog fight. Especially with the fans, the Knicks fans and the Sixers fans. Oh my goodness. Philly versus New York. Oh, yeah, that's an all-time classic. What happened?
I said it's obvious who's going to.
Who you think is gonna win?
New York.
Oh, this guy, you don't even watch basketball, dog.
Look who they got, fam.
What do they have?
They have that black guy, the other black guy, tall black guy,
That's crazy.
and what his name? The diversity guy.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's racism, man. It's fine.
Hey,
All right. So a minute left for a closer here. We got 8:30 news as well. We got jobless claims about to drop. Let's see what's going on. Let's lock in.
I doubt there's going to be entries.
Yeah, we'll see.
We're just going to zoom past. Alright.
Yeah, see. Yeah, that's why I didn't take the. Why I didn't, take. I didn't play the bottom wick on gold, right? Because 4 hours is a little too bullish.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Okay, so there goes news. So we immediately made a top wick. Looks like we're driving down. How did the news come out though?
Oh, okay.
The numbers aren't out yet though. At least on this shit. On my FX book, the numbers are not out yet. Oh no, yeah they are. Never mind. I just refreshed. So numbers came out 2 positive, 1 negative. So by the law of balance, this is overall positive. So we should be going down, yeah? So gold should be going down, but let's see. This might not do much. This might not do much. The GJ moving? Not really. Yeah, not really. Oh, okay, it's moving now. Let me see. Okay. See. So look at this fat top wick, dog. We never took those highs, bro. We never took those highs. But we did get into the rejection zone. So the rejection area on GJ. And I really wanted 192.9 to get tapped before we actually start selling off here. If 192.9 got tapped, I would be a lot more comfortable taking sales. But if this is off of volume, then a closure below shit, this guy. A closure below 192.3 could do it. If this is off of volume anyways. Because yeah, we are coming down here. What are you actually looking at? I was looking at GJ for that one, but I'm on gold right now.
Well, trend is currently bearish. So,
yeah.
That my mind. Gold is still bullish, but it's already take profit of the
Okay, man. So let's see how this 5 closes. Yeah, news didn't do much here in terms of volume. News didn't do much. Say, you know what?
No, I was just thinking of something.
Yeah, news not doing much here. News not doing much.
Hey, count our blessings. At least that means there's an opportunity.
I would have preferred if we moved at least. Okay, so all we did here was create a bottom wick now. So this is good. Yeah, so GJ dropping as well. So there's more volume on GJ than gold for some reason. That makes no sense, but okay. Okay, so yeah, if we're taking these cells off of volume, so let's see how this 5 closes. Oof, let me see. The only thing I'm wary of with these closures now on GJ is because I am thinking these are gonna be short-term sells, because 192.89 or 8 or 0.9 rather, I really needed that to get tapped into before we actually pick the direction. That's the level I had.
Wait, say that level again. 192 point what?
Like 9.
192.9.
Yeah, on GJ. Okay, so this
Bro,
5.
we haven't even hit that level today. Why you? What was the level based on?
No, I said that's the level I was looking to tap into. Is look to the left. Look to the left. Look to the left and see where all those rejections were. If we tap into that level, then melt, then flip bearish, then you're melting, because now you just tapped into above all those highs. So you have so much money, right? So much liquidity sitting above all those highs. So if you tap into that level and then flip bearish and start closing.
No, I see it. It's 192.8 on my prop. That's why I was confused.
Yeah, like the I mean like the range, right? The general
Yeah, no,
area.
I get it.
Yeah.
Well, shark tanking. Not for the fact that I don't have a. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I mean, I would be in on this 5 closing bearish, but yeah, it's a little. It's still respecting this level on the 5 though. We have rejected off this level on the 5 as well, but current momentum is bearish though. Current momentum is bearish. So I'm trying to think here, what can happen here to warrant me taking these sells? What needs to happen to convince me to take these sells? Yeah, I can't take these sells now. We could very well drive and melt right now, but I can't take it because I mean, it's not like news did much in terms of the fact that gold didn't move. I don't think this is off of news. I don't think this volume is off of news. Yeah, you're tapping into this level. You've rejected this level in the past. Yeah, you need a 15-minute closure, or I need a 15-minute closure minimum. So it looks like we're waiting for 8:45 here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, jobless claims is a joke, man. You know, back in my days, kids, jobless claims used to be the bread and butter. Yo, if you fit, you can increase your volume a bit because I can't really hear you.
Noted. I had a feeling I was a low. No jump. Belly.
Yeah, so we're gonna get back to the bracket later.
What about now?
Talk?
I just did.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, man. Okay, so this 5 has a top wick now. So what this looks like, just visually speaking, if this flips and takes out this low, this whole range is getting taken, right? Just visually speaking. But in terms of price action,
something else.
Yeah, I was about to say it's getting fucked. The whole range getting fucked, but yeah, like I mean,
West Energy. I'm not allowed to say what race, what group of people, and then you just blurt it out anyway.
So, yeah, man, I can't do it. I can't take the sales. Can't take it. All right, now. Yeah, I need this 15 close. This is called peer pressure. Kids, don't give in to peer pressure.
Took the word right out of my mouth. Give in to peer pressure, kids.
At all. Say your name and your position. Not be me talk. This man does not reflect the views of the stream or the stream streamer. stream or the streamer. Yeah, look at GJ now. If we take out those lows, I don't even want to say high chance we drive, but just visually speaking, I've seen this happen before, right? Visually speaking, we probably might drive, but if we end up not driving and I take this, I feel like a dickhead because I know I shouldn't have taken it, right? So I'm gonna just leave it. I'm very scared, bro. Very scared. Very scared. And trying to do some dumb shit. Bro, we have 8 break evens for the month of April. That's crazy. I mean, it's better than a loss, but still, I'm pissed.
You can't complain.
That's 8 potential winners that ended up at break even, bro. Crazy. And seconds left for the 5 close. Let's see what won.
You don't have any.
Yeah, this closes like this, respecting. Wow, okay. Yeah, this could drive. Yeah, you create a top wick. I mean, you're still respecting this though, right? Still respecting this. Still respect it.
Okay. Oh me, oh my.
Oh, Susanna, oh, don't you cry for me. Yeah, I'm gonna stay out of that one. I'm gonna stay out of that one. Yeah, if you melt here, it is what it is, yeah. But I can't take it. I can't do it. Team USA. Yo, Team USA is tough. They got LeBron, AD, what's his face? Curry. I mean, that's all you need, really.
What I said.
Durant, Booker, Kawhi, Embiid, Ant. Bro, Ant is like, he's not beating the allegations of being MJ's son, man. Wallah, he's not.
Yeah. Gonna have to go to court.
Bro, Halliburton. I mean, nah, he's balling out. I shouldn't be surprised. Halliburton balling out for sure.
You should be surprised.
See this guy. How they call yourself? How they call yourself, man? You know what? Even one sports, not even one. Fuck, you know. Toy, I spit on you.
Imagine letting others define your masculinity. Good.
That's it. It's a decree. It's a biblical decree. The Lord said, and man shall watch sports. Let's take out the whiteboard. Yo, bro, this dude funny, dog. Tony Stavoki. Okay, so is that a that's a 15 close, right? Yeah, 15 close, and yeah, I tell you what, if this 15 closes below the level here, We close below 192.33 here on the 15 on GJ, which it looks like we might. I'll look for the top wick. I'll look for the top wick to about 192.35, and I'll have a sell stop on the break of the lows. Yeah, we need to close below though. We need to close below. Then where's my vantage point? I'm coming from below. Yeah, so this is my vantage point right here. How many pips is that? It's about 8 pips. Yeah, I don't mind 8 pips. Yeah, let's see how we close in this 15. What's gold doing? Yeah, gold isn't doing well. I like how it's forming, but nothing on gold quite yet. Maybe off of the 30 or 9 o'clock rather. So maybe off of the hourly close we get something. That's the 4-hour close as well. Oh, last 15 minutes of the 4-hour actually. I just peeped. Yeah, so last 15 minutes of this 4-hour candle. Yeah. I hope GJ closes above on the hourly, just so I don't feel like inclined to take a sell. All right, cool. So we closed above on the hourly on the 15, so I don't really need to use my brain right now. So we're gonna wait for the hourly close here on GJ. We're gonna wait for the hourly close, because then that 4-hour is closing bearish, right? If we closing bearish on this 4, if we're closing bearish on this 4 below 192.4, we just wait for a top wick. We take those sells going down. All right, and you have a good bit of range. You have a fair bit of range to work with there. So but watch the absolute fuckery of GJ. Watch this joint just drop for 500 pips right now. Absolute.
I told you earlier.
Wallah, I'm gonna kick you off the stream, bro.
What did you
You know
I
what?
literally
Yeah,
said, what did I do?
I'm going to get a button. I'm going to assign one button that just mutes the Discord.
It's on record.
No. I'm going to assign one button that just mutes the Discord. Anytime I hear the phrase "I told you," I will just click the button. I won't even tell you. I'll just let you keep on talking.
Did I lie?
Nonsense guy.
See, you try to help some people, but they just keep biting their hand. It's crazy.
This dude, bro.
Like, man.
This dude. Nah. If I said, oh, call, make a call and let me. I bet. Watch. Since you want all that responsibility on your shoulder, yeah. Tomorrow, yeah. If we don't hit profit targets today, which most likely we won't, tomorrow I'll give it to you to make the call to save or absolutely decimate the account. Agreed?
Wait, what are the terms and conditions to this thing? I mean, you're saying that what I get to, you're going to actually listen to calls I make proper.
Like literally, just if you just say buy, I'm risking everything. Literally I'm not risking
everything. Risk the profit.
Nah, bro, nah. Cause you always all these your hands. Oh yeah. I call the Israelites. Okay. If you want to back up all these your hands, I'm risking everything, bro. Literally just say buy or sell. And if I lose the account, you are buying me a new one.
Oh.
So
no,
say less.
Use the trade shell manager, Shah.
Yeah?
I said use the trade manager, Shah.
What's that?
The trade shell that I gave you last. Of course, now it freaking drops. Fucking DAX 40. Sorry, excuse my French.
DAX. It's DAX.
I've been looking at stuff the whole time, baby. Look at this piece of shit. Now you want to drop after stalling the whole fucking day.
It's DAX.
Hold on, let me check something. Log into the Bible. How much I can actually. It's so annoying when you know something to happen and it just stalls for no reason.
Yeah, be like that, man. Be like that.
Damn.
so we got about 11 minutes here. 11 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, so this 4-hour closes above 2386 here, 2386.3.5. Yeah, if you coincide that with a closure here, it's not terrible. It's not terrible. It's not terrible. Is it not facts? It's facts. It's facts. Yeah, man. So we'll see. We got 10 minutes left for this closure. Yeah, nah. I'll go back to the bracket after the 9 o'clock close. Wanna lock in here. Lock in. Yeah, so GJ rejecting there, so I'm happy GJ is rejecting there, but I've seen stranger things on GJ, man. We'll close bullish like this and then you will drop for 5,000 pips. Some bullshit. Some BS. But now that we've tapped into these levels, right? If we now close above bullish, if this candle can flip, oh, actually, let me see what the 4 looks like. Okay, so really we just want to close above. Yeah, so we close above there on the 4. Let me see, what is this flip on the hourly? What is this flip? Ooh, that's a flip. Oh yeah, if you can flip on the hourly and on the 4, so if this 4-hour can close bullish, still inside this range, right? That's the hourly closing bullish above this level here. Yeah, then that'd be pretty good to take the buys up. I wouldn't mind those. I wouldn't mind those buys at all. Yeah. It's 30 minutes there. Yeah, man. Yeah, so you just need a 30-minute close above 192.52, which is also a 4-hour closing bullish and a hourly closing bullish above a level as well. So there, that's pretty good confluence here. And we have a 9 o'clock open with it. So yeah, I don't even think I would need much of a bottom wick, to be fair, because we already came down and tapped into this level here. So you wouldn't need too much of a bottom wick. Maybe a bottom wick to here. You got 8 minutes though. 8 minutes. If this can flip here, then that's a sign of volume as well. So if that flips, your new candle opens, creates a bottom wick. Yeah, I'm in that. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that every day. Oh. And we party every day. Then when people say, "What's up, Rack City, Rack City." Ten, 20 equals 50. Hey, lost in the sauce. All right, 6 minutes. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Let's see what I want. Lost in the sauce. Cool. So GJ pulling up here. That's fuego. That's bueno. That's bueno. That's bueno. Yeah, that would be really good for the buys, man. Really good for the buys. A man who thinks all the time. Four minutes. 4 minutes. Let's see. Oh, how's gold forming? Okay. Trying to be on it. Let me see. 30 minutes. So we created that bottom wick. Yeah, so we came all the way down here just to create this bottom wick, yeah? That's for the hourly, so what that's telling me is we're not trying to go back down there, right? We're not trying to come back to that level if we're gonna push up here. But we do need this 4 hour to close above 2386. We do need a closer above, ideally. Yeah, GG, it doesn't look like GJ is gonna give us the close we want, but that doesn't mean we can't still get the buys, right? But doesn't look like it's gonna give us the close we want, because we got 3 minutes left and we're still bearish on this candle. So yeah, let me see, how's the minute forming? Yeah, I highly doubt we're gonna close bullish here the way we want, but yeah, let's see. The worst thing is a loss, right? But the thing what I currently don't want to happen is we close inside this range. Because if we close inside this range, we can't even take sells yet. We don't really have a play for sells. We don't have a play for buys. We still need like a closer. We would still need like maybe a 30-minute closer below or above, or a 15-minute closer below or above, and a convincing wick. Whoa. I just hit a stretch for the ages, man. My ancestors felt that one. My ancestors felt that stretch. So approaching 2 minutes here. Looks like we're gonna close below on GJ. Okay, so now gotta update the processing. If you're closing below on GJ now, right, on the 4 hour as well, you're closing below after you came up here and tapped into this level. Previously in the past, when you've tapped and rejected, oh, my fault. Previously in the past, when you've tapped and rejected that level, you've come all the way down. I mean, this one came all the way down here. All right, this one came all the way down here. This one came all the way down here. Let's just put it there. This one came all the way down here. Yeah, look at these wicks, bro. So it came all the way down here. Let me see. This one came. Where is this? This one stopped at this level, right? So minimum here minimum you're looking at a tap into 192.1 if you close bearish like this. All right, let's lock in. 2.1, so that's cool. Let's lock in here, guys. Let's lock in. 2.1, so that's around here. Okay, 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. Yeah. So you need this to close a little bit more bearish, which I think you should. Yeah, you should close below that range. Yeah, so that would be the 4-hour highs actually. Yeah, 4-hour highs at 2.1 TP. Okay. Looks like you're closing right at the level though. Okay, push down a little bit. Okay, so now you need a top wick. I'd say you need a top wick to these areas, and I'll have a buy stop at the break of these lows. What is this? 192.245 maybe. Yeah, 192.245. Cool. Yeah, so once we make this top wick to that level, actually I'll have it on the flip. Yeah, if we tap into this level first, if we tap into this 192.38 level, I'll have it on the flip of this candle. Yeah, I'll have it on the flip. But if we flip before tapping into that level, I'll have it on the break of the lows. Yeah, so let me see. What is it? 192.32. Okay. 30. Okay, so we're tapping into that level. I'm gonna have a sell stop here at 192.30. 30. Where's my stop loss? So I'm gonna have a sell stop here. I'm gonna have a sell stop at 192.30. Cool. So I have a sell stop at 192.30. If we come up on this top wick all the way up to, so let me see how this 4 hour is forming first. So that's the 4. See the daily. The daily never took those. Yeah, daily never took those highs, right? Yeah, daily never took those highs, so that's a problem. We could keep on pushing the daily. Have we driven off of this before? Let me see. We're driving up here. Nah, we always had a bottom wick before we drove up, yeah? Yeah. Cool. So if we keep on coming up here, I'll actually have a wick entry at, I'd say at 192.6. So if we don't flip here, if we get a wick, if we tap into 192.6 before we flip, I'll have a sell. I'll sell right as soon as we tap 192.6. But for now, I have a sell stop at 192.3. Right. So let's see what goes on. Right. And like as we said, right, if you look at this 4 hour, every time we've tapped into this level and rejected and closed bearish, right? Look where we've come down to. Look where we've come down to. Boom, we came all the way down here. Boom, came all the way down here, right? Even if you're looking at like the follow-up candle, right? Boom, this was the first one. Boom, second one melted, right? Boom, second one still bearish, right? So even if that's what you're looking at, you still have a good bit of range to play here. But if you tap into 192.6, Yeah, if you tap into 192.6 first before you flip, I'll sell. We have, yeah, news is until 10, right? Yeah, so I'll sell as soon as we tap into 192.6. Yeah, why I have the 192.6 as the level is because so this rejection, so let's see this hourly. Why do I have 192.6 as the level? These are the questions we need to ask ourselves, right? Yeah, so if you come all the way up here, yeah, so there's a rejection there. So this would be the hourly below this, right? Yeah. Hourly below there, 30. Sure, keep that. Yeah, so if we're looking at places that price rejected off of after closing below here, you have this, right? You have this. Let me see what else you have. You have boom. So yeah, so off of the most recent, you have these two taps right here, right? You have these two taps. If you take the median of that, so take the average of that, it'd be somewhere around here, right? Somewhere around here. Yeah, somewhere around here. Yeah, so really you're looking at this level for the sell. But the issue with this now is if you're gonna take a sell off this wick, your stop loss gotta be all the way above here, all the way above these highs. It still isn't bad, to be honest. I fuck with 100 level stop loss. I fucks with it. Yeah, you're actually tapping into that level now. You're not too far off that level. So what would this be? This would be 0.25, right? Yeah, you're not too far off that level at this point. What level is it? This is 192.54. 92.54. Yeah, but if you tap into 192.54, I'll sell. Yeah, if you tap into 192.54, I'll sell. But again, if you're taking the wick entry, your stop loss is all the way above these highs. All the way above these highs. Right? Look at the 5. Yeah, let's see how the 5 is forming too. That's actually key as well. That's key as well. Well, at least you want one bearish closure, no? Okay, so you're pulling up. Are you gonna tap it? You're very close to tapping it though. Yeah, I want it to be exactly right. Usually I would consider the general area, but for this, I would want it to be exact. I want it to be exact tap. Yeah, 15. Okay, see it's 5. We can get some rejection off this 5. If you can get some rejection off this 5 and then the new 5 opens no bottom wick, just the top wick, that would be good. Okay, so yeah, that's exactly what I wanted there. So if you can get it, yeah, so this is good. If you can get this rejection off this 5, how many minutes for the 5 to close? Not very much time here. That's 30 hours. I just want to make sure I'm not missing something. I'm missing anything. Yeah, the daily is the only thing that doesn't really look good to take these sells here. Yeah, we never took out those highs as well. Yeah, that's a problem. That is a problem. Yeah, you know what? Nah, I'm not gonna take that. Not gonna. Let's see how the 5 open should be interesting though. So let's see how this 5 opens. Yeah, we haven't quite tapped that level, right? We're just hovering around that level, which is, I mean, yeah, bro, it's not bad, is it? Okay. It's not even. It's not like. It's not fear of. It was not fear of the trade not playing out. That's not even what it is. It's just you want to make sure, right? Because I mean, if this daily already took out this high, I would be very inclined to sell. Like I wouldn't even really think about it too much. I would sell as soon as we tapped it to that level, but just because we haven't taken out those highs yet, I'm sort of thinking we still have room to go up here, right? We don't necessarily need to reject right here. Okay, so we got closer in 4 seconds. Okay, so 5 open, no bottom wick. We creating this top wick. Okay, so if you're gonna sell, if you're gonna have a wick entry, you sell right now. Yeah, if you're gonna have a wick entry, sell right now. Okay, we tap that level and we are rejecting. Right, we are rejecting. Cool. How far are we gonna reject though? That's the question. How far are we gonna reject? At the very least, we come out with, you know, added confidence for a trade in the future, right? Because now I've seen this whole setup happen, right? So even if we do end up rejecting here, right, like this would be on the money. Like you don't get much sniper than this. This is as sniper as you can get. You don't get much sniper than this. Yeah, man. You don't get much sniper than that, but yeah, not too worried about it. Not too worried about it. Yeah, so if I was in this, this entry, I'm break even right now. Yeah. If I was in this, I'm break even right now. Because now we're tapping into this level, right? So if you're gonna reject and start going back up, this would be where you would do it. Right? So you wouldn't really have much reason to stall here if you're not gonna, right? If you're not gonna react off of this level. So yeah, right there I would be break even. Right there I would be break even. Yeah, I mean, if we end up dropping off of this, I mean, I'm not even pissed about it, right? I'm not even pissed. Really not. Really not, because I mean, this, if you're gonna drive down here, right? Because if I entered this, I'm entering with a stop loss of 100, right? So the lot size I'm going into this with, compared to the lot size I'm going into this with, the flip here with, right? Is I mean, it's not comparable, right? It's not comparable. So regardless, if we're gonna drive, we're gonna drive, right? So we're gonna drive this entries, these positions we have right now, these orders we have right now are still valid, right? So all right,
Hello.
we've been locked in. How far? We've been locked in on
Oh
GJ.
my
Let's see what
God.
goes.
I had no idea. Or rather, maybe I forgot. I was in a trade. Well, some profit, so we thank God.
Yes, sir.
Oh, well, I've been hitting break even like a motherfucker. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, man. Me too, fam. I had like just
Huh?
last stream. I had like 3 break evens, bro.
Oh, okay, yeah, GJ is doing nonsense. But then again, it hit my TP level a while ago already, so to be expected. The US indices aren't doing. Okay, they might buy.
Yeah, so if this 15 doesn't if this 15 doesn't activate us, we're gonna delete the order, because yeah, this 15 is about to close right now. Yeah, if the 15 doesn't activate us, I'm gonna delete the order, and I'm gonna look for this highs to get taken out first. If we come up, take out those highs, I'm gonna, yeah, where are we closing below? Yeah, as long as we close below here, we should be good now.
All right.
And then work the 30, right? Okay. Yeah, so this 15 looks like it's about to close right now. Yeah, if it closes like this, I'm gonna delete the what's it called, the orders for now. I'm gonna wait for a top wick, and then I'll put the orders back where they were, right? The exact same place. Because now you're playing the flip of the 30, right? Okay, so I'm gonna delete these orders here. Because look what's happening, right? Now you have a 15-minute close bullish. You have this next 15 coming down, no top wick. We don't have a top wick, so you could just come down, create this bottom wick for the previous 15 that closed without a bottom wick, right? Create that bottom wick and then go up, right? So that would be a bottom wick for the 15, for the 30, and for the hourly, right? So you want to be wary there, but at the same time you could drive down. But all these things are possibilities.
Quick question. Why do you, I hear you say this a lot, why do you always wait for top wicks? Like, do they confirm something?
Yeah, because they basically confirm that you're not coming back to that level for anything, right? Because like if you create a top wick to a certain level and then you drive, it's saying, okay, we've come up and we've grabbed liquidity already, right? The only reason we would reverse on, like, say it's a trend, the only reason you would reverse on a trend is to grab liquidity, right? Grab orders, all of that, right? So if you already create that wick before pushing, then yeah, you're free to roam, right? But if it's like, if you don't create that wick and then you just start pushing, you could reject at any second just to create that wick and then start pushing, and you don't really know where that wick is gonna go. So you want the wick to form before you push, so you at least know, you have a good idea of where that wick is.
Okay. But is there a specific time frame that you look for this wick, or?
I mean, because it's on the entry, right? It's whatever I'm looking at for the entry. Because I consider every single time frame, right? I'll consider the wick. If we have a wick on the 4 hour, I'll consider if we have a wick on the daily. I'll consider if we have a wick on hourly, right? But it all comes down at the end of the day to the specific time frame that you want to enter, right? Does it? I mean,
okay, so it's
as long as
you want to on, really.
Yeah, basically. But like, as long as everything else, like as long as your higher time frames, you like what's going on the higher time frames, right? Everything is good in terms of wicks, in terms of, the candles, everything. As long as the higher time frames are good, if you have your wick on the entry time frame, yeah, you should be good to go. But there are situations where I don't really need a wick. And so like, say, like there's some situations where the previous candle makes the wick, and then you start rejecting at the ending of the previous candle, and then the new candle doesn't really require a wick because it's sort of a continuation. You get it? Sort of the continuation of the rejection, right? It's like one whole movement just split into two different candles. Yeah, so 15-minute forming here. So yeah, I can't put in the orders yet because we did close bullish on the 15. Okay, hold up, actually let me just make sure of these levels. Okay, hold up. Just make sure. 15 there. Let's see, 30-minute level. Okay, so it goes below. Okay, you know what? Hold up. 4 hour lows. There. 4 hour. Okay, you know what? Yeah, so the 15 is the only thing I don't like, right? The 15 is the only thing has no top wick, but this could have just rejected. That's true. That's true. We just rejected this level we were thinking about, right? And then has no, but okay, yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop. Yeah, this 30. Trade of it for the 30. Yeah, I'm gonna put back the sell stop. I'm gonna put back the sell stop. 4 hour. Yeah, literally because what you just said actually just that's a good point, because yeah, if this is just a continuation of the rejection here, we don't actually need a top wick on this 15, huh? Yeah, we don't. Yeah, let's see this 5-minute close. As soon as this 5 closes, if we close bearish here on this 5 below the level, I'm gonna put back my sell stop. Now, oh yeah, you can have you could actually have a steeper or a smaller stop loss now, but yeah, I think it's safer to go with the hourly, with the 4 hour. No, actually, no, that doesn't make sense. I'm still go with the hourly, because if you did all that, you really shouldn't go back. There's no point. Okay, so this 5 just, ooh, that's a disgusting close. Okay, no. Yeah, we have I thought we didn't have a bottom wick on this 5. We closed sort of below as well on this 5. So if we flip for the bottom wick as well. Oh, that's cool. All right. I'm gonna have a sell stop on the flip of this 5. Let me see, 2.3. See, 5, 6. So 4, 6. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful top wick. 3, 4, 6. Yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop at the flip of this 5. 192.346.
Is it already hit? No, it hasn't. That's interesting. Well,
See, 192.598. A lot of lots, a lot of lots. Oh, that's the 15 top wick. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop here, guys. I'm gonna have a sell stop. Let's see. 1.5 is a lot of lots. 192.346. All right, I got my stops in. I got my order in. So I have sell stops at the flip of this 5, 192.346. If we don't get activated on the flip of this 5, if we don't get activated on the flip of this 5, see, so that would be the 5-minute fake out, right? Yeah, that would be a 5-minute fake out. That's the 15 flipping bullish, but if the 15 flips bullish, and yeah, I'll keep the, that'll be the last 5 of the 15, right? Yeah, let's see. If we don't get activated on this 5, I might push the entry to the flip of the 15, the flip of the 30 instead. That's the last 5 minutes of the 30 as well. Yeah, I might just put it down below. Yeah. Okay, yeah, let's see how this 5 closes. If we're not activated by the time the 5 closes, which it's looking like we're not going to be, I'm gonna move my entries to the lows of this previous 30, right? To the low of the previous 30, right? Because what could happen is this 30 could flip, trade that bottom wick, and then push up on the last 5 minutes before it closes, right? So this 5 minute either needs to close bearish or get us into the trade. We either need to close bearish or get tapped into the trade. One of the two. One of the two. We came all the way up here, but we didn't even create the 15. We still didn't create a top wick for this 15, which is interesting. Which is interesting. Yeah, we're pulling down on the 5 though. Pulling down on the 5. Yeah, if this 5 can flip, we got 30 seconds here. You got 30 seconds. Can you be activated in 20 seconds? Can we be in here in 20 seconds? Let's see. Yeah, I just want to make sure I'm not missing anything here. Yeah, I don't think so. I think I'm chilling. Yeah, I think I'm chilling. We got news by 10, so we got time till news. Okay, 5. Okay, 5 closed. 5 closed how 5 closed. Okay, we have a top wick. That's good. So did we respect here or no? Looks like we did. So I still have the sell stops in. We have the sell stops in 15, 30. And 30. 30 flipping. Cool. I like that top wick. I like that. So we created a bottom wick and the top wick. Cool. Close 15. Cool. Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna leave. I'm not gonna move the stops or the what's it called, the entries. My brain moving at like 5,000 an hour right now. Potential entries on gold as well. Let's see, so this is the 30 closing, right? 30 closing, 15. Be below here, so you just need a 30 to close below. Okay. How's the minute form? If you get even 1 minute closer or above, I'm gonna move the entries a little bit lower. 5 flipping on the minute. We're about to be activated here. We're about to get activated here. So last 3 minutes. Last 3 minutes. If we get to about a minute and we're not activated, I'm gonna delete the order and wait for a 30-minute close. Yeah, especially if this 30 minutes. Okay, we're about to get activated. 2 minutes left. Let's see. We're about to be activated. Not quite yet. Not quite yet. Still not activated. That minute closed though. Yeah, disgusting. Still not activated here. Bro, are you on the stream, bro?
Yeah.
No, don't worry. I just wanted to ask if someone was saying something. I checked.
Yeah.
I already checked it. Okay, so you're pushing the 1 minute mark here, right? You're pushing the 1 minute mark. Yeah, we're still stalling. Yeah, I'm gonna delete the order. I'm gonna delete the order for now and wait for this 30 to close. Most likely it's gonna be a wick, not a wick entry, a what's it called, market execution, because all I need is a top wick. All I need is a top wick. As soon as we close below here, this resistance, as soon as we close below this resistance, all I need is a top wick. Oh yeah, we might close above, bro. Yeah, if you close above, it's fucked. If you close above, it's fucked. Let me see gold though. Okay. Yeah, we might need to switch focus. We might need to switch focus to gold. If you close above GJ there, you're fucked. But gold though, gold is fuego. Gold looks like we're gonna close above on gold. Let me see. Okay. So that's the 4 hour. 4 hour never closed above. So this is the first 30-minute closer above. You're gonna drive up here. Where are you looking at that bottom wick? You're looking at a bottom wick at might not need much of a bottom wick, to be fair. Might not need much. Ooh, yeah, you're pushing. Yeah, you just need a top wick for that candle though. Let's see the 4 hour. If the 4 hour flips, you're fucked. Wow, okay, so gold pushing. How's gold opening? Gold opening. Ooh, wow, okay, that's really good. Okay, let me take a quick look at GJ. So 15 close back down below 30 hourly. Let me see. Okay, 30. Okay, I like the 30. I like the 30 close. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna have a sell stop on GJ. Yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop on GJ, so that's a good closer there. Size. Yeah, you really shouldn't go back here. You don't really have a reason to go back here. Cool. So 20, right? Okay. Yeah, if I can't get in the sell stop, I'll market execute. Let me see. What is this? 20? So this is what? This is a current 15? Yeah, current 15 on 2.56.
Oof, that's nasty.
I'm sure gold is having a field day right now.
Oh, it's pushing up.
Yeah.
Oof. Oh, that's lovely.
Okay, so okay, I'm gonna have a sell stop at 192.339. 339. Actually, I'm gonna put that above there. Yeah, 92.794. Yeah, my fault, chat. Yeah, so I have a sell stop below, at 192.349 on gold. Oh, no, not on gold, on GJ, on GJ. 192.349. Yep. Yeah, you want that to be activated by the 5. You want that to be activated by this 5. If it's not, you want the next 5 to create a top wick first and then flip. Cool. So now you have a top wick for this previous 15, right? So if you're playing all these, so these are all okay. These are all things you need to consider here, and this is good. Now you have a top wick for the previous 15. If you can flip on this 15, on this 5 would be ideal, but you only have a minute left. So you're really just looking for the flip on this 15. Yeah, it's flip of the 30 as well. What's the vantage point on that? Let me see. So that's not much, is it? 3 pips? Yeah, but now if you flip on this 4 hour though, yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, flip on that 4, you should have a good, you do have a little bit of range to the downside. Yeah, you do have a bit of range to the downside. Take out these lows. It's 10 pips. Yeah, let's see what I'll go on here. 5 minute about to close. You're closing bullish, but you're looking more at your higher time frames, to be honest. But you are respecting this level on the 5 as well, right? Which you did drive down from before. So as long as you respect this level, boom, okay, cool. So you respected that level as well. First thing you did is create a top wick. Yeah, you should be good. You should be good for this. So at the very least, I would say we're gonna activate. The orders are gonna get activated. We're gonna be in some positions here. At the very least, whether that position plays out though, we'll see. We'll see. But I'd say things are looking good though. Things are looking good. Things are looking good. Let me just put in my stop loss here though. Just put in my stop loss 92.794. 174 and 190. Let's say 192.1. Yeah. Cool. All right, let's see what going. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, so I mean minimum, TP1 192.1, right? Minimum. Break even about the break of the previous 4 hour lows, because I mean if you break those lows, I don't see a reason why you wouldn't tap into these levels, right? Because even if you're gonna continue pushing up here, the fact that you close bearish here after taking out these highs, previous daily highs. Oh no, actually you didn't take out previous daily highs, but still.
So you guys want a signal?
I mean, I already have orders in, but go ahead.
Okay, S&P 500 sell stop at 5,016.30.
Write that.
Stop loss at 5,025.6.
Write it in the chat, dog.
And take profit at
write it in the chat, dog.
4,000. The thing moving, no time. Well, I've tried to put entry and the stop loss.
Alright.
The take profit is 4995.15. Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, look at gold, bro. That's a hell of a bottom wick. I don't even think you can call that a bottom wick. That's more of a rejection, no? Yeah, bro. That's a fake out on the 30.
Stay away from gold, kids.
Yeah, but that's a... Are we in the trade or not? Okay, yeah, we're in the trade. We're in GJ. Let me see. Let me go back. Yeah, so we're in GJ here. We are in GJ officially. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. So break even is the break of this previous 4 hour lows. And let me see. What's on stream right now? What screen am I showing? Okay. Cool. So let's see what happens. Now, here's the only thing about this trade, right? Here's something that could happen. You could come down here. This 4 hour could flip, create a bottom wick, and just push up immediately. If that happens, if you get a 15 closer bullish, I'm gonna look to manage the position. All right. But that has to happen first. We sort of tapped that level, but we didn't actually flip, right? We just tapped sort of close to that level. If we flip there and we close bullish on the 15, I'm gonna manage the position immediately. because that means we just came down just to create that bottom wick. That was it, and now we're pushing up. But everything else is saying sells, so I'm okay with the drawdown. Okay with the drawdown. All right, let's see what we do here. Let's see what we do. Ideally, you want to be out of this before news. If we're gonna drive here, I don't see why we would, you know, we would loiter around until news if we're gonna drive. But if we're just gonna stall until news, that's what we're gonna do, right? So it is what it is at that point. Okay, there's 5 minutes about to close. Hopefully we can close bearish here. That would be ideal. Let's see. Let us see. So TP1 at 192.1, break even on the break of the previous 4-hour lows. This candle is gyrating right now. You just want that 5 to close bearish in about 3 seconds. Looks like it's flipping bullish though. Okay, we closed bearish, so that's good. At least that's good. You sort of closed bearish respecting though, so brother, what is that? Brother,
Risk free on NAS 100 and S&P
Sir
500.
Yes, sir.
And if only I didn't enter potholes.
The life of the
bumpy road to
professional
success,
break-even trader.
The road to success is modeled after Third Mainland Bridge.
Voila.
I actually fixed it though.
Cool. I hope I'm recording. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Okay, so we just took out those lows. We just took out the lows. Yeah, we just took out the 4-hour lows, so the 4-hour just flipped. So that is a 4-hour flip. So now one of two things are gonna happen now with this 4-hour flip. You're either gonna see a pull down to these lows to take out the previous hourly lows, or you're gonna push straight up. Right? The push straight up is what we don't want, right? The push straight up is what we don't want, and that's where we're gonna manage. Right? If we push straight up and close on the 15 bullish, then yeah, things are not looking good for us. Whoa, what just happened? What just happened?
Fuckery?
Huh?
The fuckery or call?
No. I just heard I heard one of them those noise. Wait, whoa, what just happened, dog? Whoa, what just happened? Oh my goodness. Bruh, that's tough. Okay, so
Oh, did you enter again just now?
yeah. So what happened? My I don't know if I have what's it called on, but I
got stopped in profits.
Nah, like I moved my stop loss, got moved to break even, but I didn't mean to move it though. I only clicked it. So I just clicked the stop loss, or I just clicked I clicked the position. I guess that's something you can do on MT4. I don't know, but I double clicked the position and my stop loss got moved to break even immediately. So yeah, I didn't want to do that. And since we're around the areas I took the initial position, I just got back in, right? So it doesn't really matter.
That's 0.05 lots, right? So that's 0.85.
That's 0.85.
Okay.
0.85. Oh yeah. All right, let's see. Imagine if that was divine intervention that was trying to take me out the trade early. I mean, I carry myself, go back inside. It is what it is, though. I die by it.
Mm-hmm. So fell on them.
Because it's still my position, right? It's not like something happened to make me change my position. It's still my position. It was just accidental, like they say. And the entries are still in the same place too. So, yeah, so I mean, you already made this bottom wick. You would think you would just move from here. Okay, there's your drop. Okay, so there's your first push. Can you see another push? Can you see another push? Once you take out those lows again, I would think you would just push straight down to take out the previous 4-hour lows or this previous hourly lows. And you see that push now. You see that push. So we're about to take out the lows. Okay, right there we took out the lows. Can you see a push now? Yeah, you're seeing a push in the wrong direction.
Oh, nice. Profit.
Okay, so the 15 minute just closed bearish below the level, right? So you're forming in the right ways. You're forming in the right ways. I just don't like that we're so close to news. We're so close to news. I'll tell you what, as soon as this 15 flips, oh no, okay, it flipped bearish. Okay, so I'm gonna go break even right here. I'm gonna go break even right there. So high chance, right? Now that I've gone break even, high chance. If this isn't ready to drive, we're gonna hit break even. If this isn't ready to drive, we're gonna hit break even. But I just don't like that we're so close to news, right? We're so close to news, and this 15 just closed. So I mean, we closed bearish on this 15, so I don't see why we wouldn't drive if we wanted to drive, right? To at the very least take out the previous 4-hour lows. Okay, we're pushing down here. We're pushing down here. Pushing down. Yeah, now we're pushing up. Yeah, we're most likely gonna get taken out break even, man. Some bullshit. But yeah, if we survive this top wick and we flip, we break the lows again, we should be good though. Yeah, because I mean, look at this 4-hour, bro. Look how bearish this 4-hour looks right now. Okay, we're about to hit break even. We're still in it though. Okay, all right, we flipped. Now I really don't see why we would. Yeah, I don't see why we would come back up. If we're gonna drive here, we're just gonna drive, man. I really don't see why we would come back up at this point. At this point, I don't see why we're coming back up. Unless this is a pullback for the last 15 minutes of the 4-hour candle, I don't see why we're coming back up. Yeah, most likely we're gonna get taken out break even. Yeah, there you go. So we just got taken out break even, and as soon as we got taken out break even, now it looks like we're driving down. What the fuck? Yeah, fuck this shit. Oh goodness, this. Oh good. Bruh. Oh my goodness, look at that fucking drop, huh? Yeah, so that's 5, 15. Bro, man. Oh yeah. Okay. All right, cool. Now we're dropping. Nice. This shit has been all week, man. All fucking week. 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 So that's another break even for the week. Cool. Cool. So another break even for the week. Thing about a break even side is like even though it's break even, commissions, right? So you're still losing some off of it, even though it's break even, which is the annoying part. Because then it just sort of eats out, it just eats away at your profits just a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. It's still annoying. All right, so that's some break even trades on GJ. Bruh. Yo, morale is low, man. I'm not gonna lie, morale is low. Cause it's about my 5th break-even trade of the week, man. Yeah, but put the emotions to the side, though. Put the emotions to the side. We're professionals over here, so you gotta lock in. We professionals over here. Let's lock in, boys. All right, cool. So that one break even. Trade idea was good. Break even though. This is still valid to drive down. We just need a closer, right? We just need this bearish closer here. We just need it to close bearish and not bullish back above. And yeah, we'll continue to drive down. Yeah, 4 hour has this low though. So now we have this low on the 4. We had this bottom wick form on the 4 now. So if we end up closing back above, I'd say, let me see, what level is this? Yeah, if we end up closing back above 192.5, then yeah, I'll take those buys. But right now, yeah, right now we're looking for these sells. Now we're looking for these sells. Yeah. But we're pushing up here though, so that could have just been a bottom wick. If this was just a bottom wick to go up, no problem, right? I don't mind. Then the break even wouldn't be so bad, right? But if we end up flipping here and we decimate this range in the next 10 minutes or 8 minutes before the hourly closes, I'll be pissed. Yeah. If we continue hitting break evens like this for the rest of April, yeah, we might change things up in terms of the way we manage the positions next month. We might wait for 5-minute closures instead. Which leaves room for, some more fuckery to happen, but I guess if we can backtest that, right? Yeah, this candle is coming back here. We might flip. If we do flip, we might drive. And if we do drive, gonna be pissed. Cause and effect. All right, we got news at 10 though, so we're waiting for news. We don't got anything until 10. Hiya, bro. We've been here for 2 hours, almost 3 hours, bro. Hey. Yeah, the volume times on the markets might have officially just changed, man. Cause just watch like 11 a.m. today. Watch price just do a absolute Mazzolini. Push. How your trade going?
I got stopped out, fam.
Break even in it.
Well, stopped in profit.
Your own better.
So I got like $3.
Your own better, sir.
Is this supposed to be multiplied by?
This really about to flip. If this flips, I'm calling Powell, bro. I'm calling all the banks, man. What is this news anyways? What is this? Existing home sales. What is that even gonna do? Existing home sales. Yeah, if there's no volume at this 10 close, there's no clear signs of volume, I'm gonna hop off stream. I'm gonna keep looking for positions, but I'm gonna hop off stream. Five minutes for a close. Ain't no way, boy.
What happened?
Nah. I was watching a video. Okay, 3 minutes. 3 minutes left for 4 minutes. Yeah. Get you some family that supports you, dog. I mean, you know this Forex thing, man. It's not something you tell everybody, right? Because a lot of people, they're gonna look you with a certain type of eye, man. But you know, once you got the certain people that understand, you know what I mean, they see the vision, you know what I'm saying? Even if it doesn't pan out at the end of the day, they see the vision, you know, they see the intent, you know what I mean? It's always good. It's always bueno. It's always bueno. All right, we got 6 seconds left here. Let's see what. Let's see. All right, so news just dropped. Are you gonna get some volume from news? So this, yeah, gold did some absolute fuckery right here. Wow. Okay, so we've taken the highs and the lows. Oh. Right. Okay. I had to sit up for a second. Okay, so news is negative on
oh, son of a bitch. Sorry.
the dollar bearish, or the dollar news came out negative, right? So you should be pushing up on gold. But right now momentum is saying sells. Right? So so I can't really take this off of volume, but I can take it off of closer, right? So this hourly closed bearish below what? Let me see. Closed bearish, I'd say below, okay, so below this level, right? The hourly closed bearish below this level. Yeah, so I just need this 5 minute to close, right? So I know we don't have any interference from news. If we can close bearish here, you could take these sells going down, right? But ideally, you don't want to tap 2376 quite yet. You don't want to tap that level yet. You want to sell towards that level. Yeah. Okay. It's a tough formation right here, bro. It's not the good time. It's tough. You still don't have a bottom wick for the daily, so that's a potential target, right? That's a potential target. What's GJ doing? Yeah, GJ did fuck all, man. Well, yeah, you did still close. So the hourly closed on GJ below this level. Yeah. The hourly closed. Then it's above here, no? Where's this support? Let me see. Where's this support? You're talking this. Okay, so you did close above that. That's such a shit open too. Wow, yeah. Fuck, you know. Why the market's moving like this, man? What is this?
Who knows, man? Who knows?
What is this? This is tough. Not the good tough. So, I mean, we closed bearish on the hourly, but we sort of closed respecting this level now. After doing all this, so we had this top wick, then we came down. Yo, I'm trying to build a story right now, but I'm not seeing it. I'm really not seeing it. I would love to take sales here, but I'm not seeing it, man. This hourly came up, we rejected. I understand we're currently below here, cool, but we don't even have a top wick for this hourly, right? If this was a rejection, if this was the rejection at like the last 5 minutes of the previous hourly, sure, right? Because then this is just a continuation down. But we ranged there, right? We were just ranging around these levels before we actually closed on the hour. So I'm expecting a top wick minimum. But the fact that we don't even have a top wick, I can't even take anything here. Yeah, I got nothing right now. Yeah, I got nothing right now. You are at a key level though. You've rejected to the top and the downside from these levels before. Right, so you are at a key level, I would say. Let me see this 30 minutes. Yeah. So you wanna let's see you want a top wick. So you want a top wick. So I'm not getting into GJ anytime soon here. You want a top wick on GJ. Top wick on GJ. Brother. I mean, there's still volume in the markets, man, but bomba clot. Yeah, there goes your gold sales. Fucking hell, I should have been looking at gold, huh? Suck me. Fuck, I didn't even see how gold opened. Gold might have opened well. I don't even know because I wasn't looking at it. Dickhead. Okay, so it's 15, 4 hours. So about to take out those lows. Alright, cool. You know, I was looking at it. Never mind. Yeah, I know why I waited. Never mind. I know why I waited. So 30. Yeah, because volume was saying up, right? Volume was saying up, but bearish momentum. Cool. So now that you've closed like this, you just need a 5-minute close. If you can get a 5-minute close below 23.76, I'll sell. Yeah, I'll take those sells. Yeah. Ideally a 15-minute close, but a 5-minute close will suffice. After all this fuckery we did right here. Yeah, 5-minute close will suffice. Yeah, man. Yeah, this isn't what you want to round off the round of the challenge, man. This is not what you want. It's not what you want at all. Price moving real reggae. Real reggae. What's the indices saying, man?
Okay, so the trends on NAS 100 and the S&P 500 overall bearish, like got stopped out, and I'm seeing signs of already seeing confirmation of pullbacks. So no clear trend direction. US 30 went bullish. I was in buys on US 30, but I got stopped out there too, and it immediately went to my TP after. That's why I tossed out. And DAX 40, it didn't move to any TP during London session, which is really where you want to be done with DAX 40. And right now it's well, I don't want to say ranging, but it's tweaking. It's hovering, it's switching between the contraction and expansion phases. It's not really a clear trend for that.
Shit.
GJ, that one too, I was in bias, but then stopped out in break even, and then it went without me. So yeah, the only thing I'm even considering right now is NAS 100 and S&P 500. But if I get another signal to sell, I'll sell again. But otherwise, I'm leaving it. So it's already past the 230 watts. So if this next 30-minute candle doesn't show anything, I might just leave it.
I feel you. Yeah, man.
No, but let's not try and change our strategy based off of today. You know, there's always going to be that ranging period, that day when nothing just happens properly. So
Yeah, I get.
you know, this is one of those days. I didn't even bother looking at gold because that thing was pure nonsense. I could smell that thing. I was like, fuck.
Yeah, man. 'Cause I don't know.
Getting it today.
I don't know why we're moving like this. I mean, I guess it should be expected with the way we've been moving all week, right? Because not for the indices, but DJ and gold, we haven't been moving at the times we usually expect to move.
Yeah.
We moved like 11, 12. We start getting like, look, if you look at the past year, look at this one. This trend started 10, 30, 11. This 11, it started pushing. That was Wednesday. That was yesterday. And day before yesterday, this trend started 11 as well. This is 11:30, right? 11:30, 11. This started, boom, bro. It's weird, man.
Oh, gold was on some bullshit. I hope you went in, guys.
Nah, bro. Nah.
It was on some bullshit.
Because it made
We
that top
already hit
wave
the
first.
GPP a while ago, but then it's bearish in the bullish zone.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't have touched this.
Yeah, because like the 4-hour stuff, the 4-hour closed below, and then the first thing we did, we created this top wick all the way to a rejection level, and now we're bearish. So, and we're close bearish on the hourly as well. So, I mean, do with that what you will, bro. But for me, this is just saying sells, but we don't have entries quite yet. So 5 minutes. Yeah, so 5 minutes about to close there. Cool. Let's see, bro. We've been here for how long, bro? 3 hours. Okay, now. You know, a lot of people think, yo, you know, I mean, if you trading, it's just like, I mean, you're sitting down, you're looking at charts. It's not that exhausting, right? But brother, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Because your brain is just moving at 500 miles per hour. Every single tick of the candle, you're like, okay, what's going on now? What's price saying now? What's going on with this? What's going on with that? I'm saying it's mentally exhausting. You're pushing up on gold for some reason. Maybe news finally kicked in. I mean, but hey, all that aside, we give ourselves a pat on the back, bro, because God knows, you know, a year ago I'm in like 20 different positions already and I've lost all of them. Wallah, God knows. I've already taken 20 trades and I'm still looking for another one just to get one win. All right, so at the very least, we know we're developing in that respect.
Old white king was a different.
Ah, that guy was trading whole numbers. Trading whole, not even levels, man, whole numbers. Yeah, so I was listening to this trader yesterday. It was like, oh, you know, the 10% of traders get to the break-even stage, and then only 1% get to like the profitable stage, right? And I mean, I would say, I mean, not to you know, not to what would I say, over exaggerate our skill level, but I would say we're in that, you know, we're in that break-even stage right now, I would say, right? And you know, just getting there is an achievement in and of itself, right? But the step from losing to break even is not as steep as from break even to profitable, right? So in order for you to become profitable, you're gonna have to grit your teeth a little bit, you know what I'm saying? It's not gonna be easy. You're gonna spend a while in the break-even stages, man. Gonna be a while in there, and that's where most quit. Hey, if you don't really want it, why not just quit, right? It's not the end all be all, right? Forex ain't the only thing you can do in life, but if you know if it's something you want to do, why not just stick around a little bit, you know what I'm saying? See how things go, right? See how things go. Because fact is, even if I don't become profitable,
Yeah.
but I know I will, though. I know I will. But even if not, it's not the end of the world, bro. Got other things you can do. We got options, you know, by the grace of God, we got options. I've heard some stories though where some people literally had no options. It was this or nothing. Like they bruh. On Words of Wisdom, there was a guy. What did he do? Like, I mean, he made a lot of money initially, and then he lost everything. Right? He was millions in profit. Then he lost everything, bro. And then he just stuck with it. He just stuck with it. His family said stop. Everybody was saying stop, bro. He just stuck with it, bro. It was literally all or nothing. Out there,
I mean, if you've done it before, you'll be motivated to like
exactly,
not stop more
bro.
than anything else.
Exactly, because you've
It's
seen
like,
it.
oh, I was in there.
You've seen exactly, bro. You've seen the highest highs, you know. You've been at the highest heights. You've looked down from below, from above. Now that you're looking down from, you're looking up from below, you know you can get up there because you've been there before. You know it's not out of reach. There's this one guy I know. The guy, he got funded and then he got to phase 2 of, no, he got funded and then he blew everything on the first trade that he took. That bastard. I don't know who he is.
Boy, I don't know how you fumbled that hard. Wait, is it that he got funded and then immediately failed?
Yeah, well, I swear, like his first trade, he lost. He lost heavy.
Oh, that's fucked. Well, Sha, maybe it was psychology last one.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. Because like if he got past this one phase 2, got funded and then made profit but then lost it, you can see that okay, it was just fuckery.
Come on, wait. You didn't whine me.
I can understand that one.
You didn't
But
whine
if
me.
you got funded and then you failed immediately, nah. And it's psychology that was his problem. Yeah, that guy sounds like he scared.
You didn't whine me.
What happened?
You know saying that you had to talk about.
Yeah, shut up. That's because in my first week, I actually made bar. It was after. It wasn't my first trade.
At all, not the same thing.
Not the same thing. Yeah. my first trade, profiting back to back.
Alright, so 15 close just now. We just had a 15-minute close.
Oh shit.
Let me see. Okay, so fuck.
Can you imagine?
In this hourly.
Okay, yeah, so I'm done for the day because
yeah, I might be right behind you, dog. Cause
NAS and S&P just closed horribly. That's crazy.
So like, I can't even see anything on gold right now. Can't even. I have to basically
I'd advise you to leave gold.
Yeah, man. I basically have to do a whole nother analysis. So let's look at this. So I mean, monthly and weekly stay the same. What's going on the daily? So daily, we still have no bottom wick. We could flip at any time, but we haven't taken out these highs, right? I was looking to take out these highs before we actually flip, because then that's more confirmation, right, that we're gonna drive down. But that level might just hold. We don't actually need a bottom wick, right? So move to the 4-hour now. 4-hour closed bearish, bullish, respecting this level here. Last time we closed bullish respecting this level, we created a top wick and then we melted all the way down to the bottom of this range, right? But then look, this candle over to the left, we did the same thing, where we closed inside the level, but we found support and we continued to push up. So what this price is gonna do here, if we're going based off of mirroring the move, this one tapped into this level, then rejected, right? Then we push back up. This one also tapped into this level, then we rejected, then we push back up. This one never tapped into that level. So if we're doing oranges for oranges, apples for apples, we're gonna continue this push up, right? So go down to the hourly now. Boom. What's going on in the hourly? This previous hourly closed bearish, right? After tapping into those levels, right? Boom. Okay, so now we closed bearish. You're currently forming bullish, but you did close bearish. So in order for you to start taking buys here, you need a closer above, right? You need an hourly closure above in order for you to start taking buys. Okay, now you have a level here. In terms of sells, you also need a closure, at least a 30-minute closure, right? Boom. Okay, so now you have this level here, go to the 30-minute. Let me see how this is forming on the 30. Boom, boom, cool. Okay, and let's see, we already came up here, so let's say that right there. Okay, yeah, so these are my levels. I'm here till 10:30. If we don't see anything at 10:30, I'm out. I'm gonna be out, but I am looking for potentially, if you can close above, because look at this range, bro. This is a clean range, like above 2400 here. This is so clean. Above 2400.5, this is so clean to the top side. So like, if you can get into those buys early, then yeah, man, you got runners for days. But yeah, you need closers here. You need closers. because you're basically just playing ping pong here. You're just bouncing around these levels. Yeah, I mean, some other people could have gotten some entries in here if they have a good beat on gold, but just based off how I view gold, I don't really have an entry. I don't have a position, right? So yeah, yeah, we'll see how that goes. Let me see GJ. In terms of GJ, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I don't even want to take anything on GJ, man. Yeah, because I mean, this, so the daily, what's the weekly doing? Okay, the daily, what's the daily doing? So it looks like you still have these highs as your, you know, because remember I said I was looking at 192.9 to get tapped into before we actually start driving down, if we're gonna drive down. So that could still happen here, right? But now we have this 4-hour close bearish, right? We had this 4-hour close bearish after creating this top wick, and now we're currently inside that range. We've created a top wick on this new candle, and looking to the left, most times when we create a top wick at that level and flip bearish and close bearish, we continue to drive down at least to 192.1, right? So that being said, I'm still looking for sells here. I'm not looking to get into the buys right now, and to be honest, I don't think I'll yeah, no, I'm not looking to get into the buys anytime soon. No time soon, right? So right now, because we have closed bullish on this hourly, respecting this level, I need at least a 30-minute bearish closure below before I start taking these sells back down to the downside, right? So boom. Okay, so I know what I'm looking for on both gold and GJ, so that's good. So 10:30 will tell us if we're getting a position or not, right? If exactly what I said we're looking for doesn't play out here, I'm gonna be out for the day. I'll be out for the day. And then tomorrow, we're not gambling tomorrow, but we're risking all our profits tomorrow. I'll try not to take anything off stream. Yeah, I only take things off stream if it's like really good, right? Like, you know, I mean, not New York session though. If I hop off stream right now, I'm not looking at taking anything else, because I understand we've been moving at rega hours, but according to my plan, I don't trade those hours, and unless I actually change my plan, then I'm not gonna take anything if I see it at like 11 or so. Yeah, so 8 minutes here. So 8 minutes. Let's see if we can get some. Let me see if this guy's there. Okay, it's there.
Yeah, I'm still here.
Yeah, so 8 minutes. So that's a quick rundown of what we're looking for though. Quick rundown on what we're looking for, and if we can get it, cool. If not, it is what it is. We're back tomorrow, and yeah, we'll see if we can do a last second. Yo, that would be so tough, bro, because the way we saved the account was literally the last day we saved the account. The last day is when we saved the account, right? So if we end up hitting profits on the last day as well, oh, that's tough. Yo, I'm pissed, bro, because all these break-even trades, they taking me out with commissions and shit, like 1 pips minus 4. Come on, man.
That's why I moved into a bit of profits, because I am commissions on the you know who as well. They take commissions. We have to account for that. If not, it's technically a loss, even though it's a break-even trade.
Yeah.
Because those commissions, they pile up, especially on a big account.
That they do. That they do. I wonder if Mandem took a yeah, I think Don took a trade though. I think Don took a trade. A sell? Gold sells? Where would he have taken a sell? Yeah, like I said, right? I mean, depending on how you view the market, you could capitalize on anything here, right? So yeah, I mean, he took a sell. I can't even see where he would have taken a sell here, bro. I can't even see it. But he saw it, so Can't even see it. I'm gonna go check out his stream later. Gotta go to Australia one time, man. Now the places I want to go now is ranked Japan, Australia. Oh no, that's a lot. Japan, Singapore, then Australia, then Norway. You know why Norway. I'm trying to see them yams. Like nah. All right, let's see what's happening. Yeah, I didn't wait all this time just to get into a fucked position, man. That being said, I'm actually looking at this level now. Looking at this level, this is fucked, isn't it? Yeah, I think your best bet here is a closure of below 192.2. Yeah, 192.2 would be your best bet. But then what is this? What is this pip wise? Yeah, I mean it's not bad. 17 pip range ain't bad. I take 17 pips. Yeah, man. I don't even know where homie took a sell. I think he took a sell anyways. I really don't know where he would have taken a sell. Maybe on the flip of this candle. I'm not sure how this opened though. I'm not sure how this formed. Yeah, maybe here. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Or maybe just off of the flip of the 4 hour, right? Because yeah, maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure how this formed. It could have been on the flip of the 4. The initial flip. Yeah, maybe. Hey, yeah, that's the bad thing about, once you're focusing on more than one pair, you know what I mean? Sometimes you'll be focused on the wrong one, right? While you're anticipating moves on one pair, something else is happening on the other one, right? But so once we get more profitable, we'll migrate into one, either gold or GJ. I want to say GJ, but gold is more profitable, but GJ is more what's the word? Consistent, I'd say. I mean, gold is consistent too, but consistently fuck shit. It's consistently on some fuckery. But if you understand the fuckery, but if you understand the fuckery, then it's okay, right? You got 1 minute here. Let's see. Are we staying on stream or am I going on to do some work, other non-forex things for the day? Bro, the day we get, oh my goodness, the day we get funded, bro. I mean, bro.
Correction, the day we withdraw profit.
Hey man, you gotta celebrate the little wins too. I'm saying, don't celebrate them too much.
Okay.
Not too much, You gotta keep the bigger picture in mind. But hey, if you don't celebrate it on your way up, you're gonna get depressed, dog.
Fair.
You need checkpoints, you know what I mean? You need some checkpoints. Right now, we just trying to already hit the checkpoint of, you know, break even, you know, not blowing an account. By now, I've lost the account, bro. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me. As soon as we had that little dip, the major loss we had, as soon as we had that, I'm gone. Trust me. Trust me. Because then I'm taking trades left and right that I have no business taking. But yeah, we back with it. Okay, so GJ is gonna close in the range, so that's tough for GJ. We could continue driving down, but brother, sister, I see nothing. What's tough about this is I'm almost certain that we're gonna drive at 11 for some reasons, for some fuck shit reason, but it is what it is, I guess. I'm not staying on stream till 11, dog. Yeah, so gold, yeah, gold closed. I mean, we closed below most recent. We did close below most recent. Oh, guy, what do you think about gold, man?
Let me check again.
What do you think about these sells on gold? Look at the 30-minute.
Loading. Well, it's still far off from the sell zone. Where I normally sell. Like, it's definitely bearish right now, but it's in the buy zone for me. I have buy and sell zones on my setup. So that I usually only look for buys in the buy zone, sells in the sell zone. Right now it's in the buy zone, but it's definitely bearish. Actually, ironically enough, I just got a sell signal.
Yeah, so we just
previous 5 minutes gave me a signal for sell.
Yeah, man. We just
but I don't expect it to be long unless something else happens. But then again, this is gold. So yeah, I can't give you a clear direction, like, or like, how do I put this? I can't give you a clear target for take profit. But yeah,
I feel you.
Definitely.
Oh yeah, if we were gonna be in this, we should have been in this already. Because this is your break even right here. This is your break even
like
right here.
All signs are pointing to sells. The only problem for me is that
bro. Look at that shit.
I called it.
Look at that shit, bro.
Well, I didn't call it, bro. Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Gonna drop a bit. Maybe it will, flip back at.
Yeah, right there would have been.
Daily open.
Yeah, right there would have been break even. Right there would have been break even. Because now you're at this level, so boom, 30. Let me see this hourly. Boom, 5. Okay, 5 minutes. Is this the minute or the 5 minute? 5 minute, right? Okay. 5 minutes. Okay, so I ain't trying to enter some fuck shit. Okay, so that would be this level right here. Cool. Alright. Cool. So we're here till this 5 minute closes. If this 5 minute closes below, let's see. Trying to think. Come on, brain cells.
Oh.
So this is 5, 15, 5. Okay. I've done a little bit of fuckery in the past. Okay. Then you have this. You have this. Where does that drop? You got this right here. Okay. Cool. Yeah, ideally you would have wanted to be in on that flip. But yeah, so last attempt at gold, you need a closer below 23.75. Yeah. 5 minute closer below 23.75. I almost hope we don't close below, just so I can get off the stream. I'm about pissed, dog.
It's good.
Hey, fuck it. Big that shit, bro. Right, 50 seconds left for a close. Well, Lock in. Lock in a little bit. Lock in. As soon as we close, I just need a top wick. I'll market execute. This would be hourly highs as a TP or a stop loss. Yeah, you sort of want this wick. This wick is about 10 pips, not bad. Cool. All right, so we're about to close. Looks like we're closing below. Let's see, so we just need a top wick. Of course, we don't open with a top wick. We just go straight down. Yeah, fuck me. Yeah, fuck me and everything I love, huh? Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, that's it for me, guys. Fuck it. Yeah, straight to TPs too. Yeah, melt, you bastard. Yeah, bro, I'm pissed. I'm off. Yeah, bro, look at gold, man. Yeah, I'm pissed.
Wait, let me open it.
I'm so that's it for me.
I wasn't looking at it, but oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's it for me.
Did that.
That's it for me. Yeah. Maybe I was on some fuck shit. Maybe I was. Maybe I missed something here. Yeah, fuck it.
To see another day, man.
Yeah, bro. Fuck it. Yeah, we have no top wick. We drove straight to TPs. Yeah, tough. Alright, y'all. We'll be back tomorrow. I'll see if I can get some in Asian session. Probably not. Probably won't be able to wake up for London either. But yeah, fuck it, right? But no. I think we have news in London though. GJ. Yeah, I'll try and catch the news during London. Yeah, we got retail sales during London. So I'll try and catch the news in London. And yeah, tomorrow's the last day for the challenge. We're gonna risk all the profits. And yeah, man, we'll be back. So we were here 3 hours. Sadly, we couldn't get anything. This gold trade just sort of flew us by, I guess, but it is what it is. Yeah, I probably should have sold as soon as we flipped, but it is what it is. I was trying to analyze everything else, but it is what it is again.
It's so good.
Hourly 4. Yeah, tough. Cool. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for me, y'all. I'm a little hot. You don't want to trade while you're hot. I mean,
be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes, sir. Ski, let them know about it. If you're still trading, I'd say, I mean, gold, I don't really know what gold's gonna do. It could keep on dropping here, but you want to wait for closure at this point if you're not in terms of GJ. I mean, you're pulling up here, so which is good. So a bullish closure above 192.52 should be good for buys, right? Should be good for buys. Your cleanest buys, I would say, is this 4 hour. If this 4 hour can close above 192.8, right? 192.8, you have a 4 hour close at like 1 o'clock. Yeah, you should be good to take those buys going up. But for now, I'm off. Yeah, appreciate y'all for tuning in. Mike, appreciate you. And yeah, until next time, which is tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. Eastern, 12:30 p.m. West African time. Appreciate y'all and peace.